Are there hidden fees when buying a condo unit here in the Philippines? Stay tuned because the answer might surprise you. Let's clear this up right away. There are no hidden fees when buying a condo in the Philippines. But there are costs that you might not have been told upfront. These are often called move-in fees or turnover fees. And while they are perfectly legitimate, they are not always clearly stated in your total contract price. Here is the breakdown of what you can expect. Move-in fee or one-time membership fee. This covers your membership fee in the condominium corporation, basically your share in managing the common areas. It usually amounts to 4 to 6 months worth of condo dues. Fire extinguisher fee. Before you can move in, developers typically require a fire extinguisher to be installed in the unit for safety compliance. This is a mandatory fee. Power energization and electric meter installation. This covers the cost to have your electric meter installed and to have your unit energized or connected to the power grid. No electricity equals no move-in. These are not hidden costs, but they're often overlooked by buyers until the last minute. That is why it's important to be aware of them early. These fees are on top of your total contract price and transfer costs, so knowing them helps you prepare your full budget with confidence. Even if you have the budget, understanding these fees helps you recognize the real value of your purchase. You are not just buying the unit, you're buying access, safety, utilities, and your share of the community. Do you need guidance on your condominium purchase in the Philippines? Let us help you avoid surprises and make informed decisions. Contact us today. This is JRC, your every furnished guide for visas and real estate in the Philippines. And I'll be seeing you on our next Real Estate Friday videos.